It is October 16th, 2005, and we are at up north of Baudette, mouth of the Rainy River going into Lake of the Woods. And I have with me this year Dad and Eddie. Let's see what they're up to.
What does he eat?
Watching TV. Eddie's the only one that caught a fish today. About 12-inch walleye.
13-inch.
Don't make any difference how small he was.
$5 walleye.
Yeah.
And he spirals down for grease.
And we are going to hammer them tomorrow.
Wow, dude just can't stop
There's the cabin. A nice cabin. This year we're rooming again with John Rule and Ray.
Only in Thailand can.
Don't trip. Get in front. And then Dad, go way up in front. Then with your left, your right thumb, zoom. Look at that, Dad. Something's going again.
It's running again?
Yeah.
What the hell do you have on there?
We're still in reverse. Eddie, get the steering wheel and turn the steering wheel away. We got us a honker here. Tim got a something big, really big.
Daddy's got the big on here. That's the biggest fish I ever had around.
Recording the giant fish of the day. I'm not a very good camera person, as you can tell. I'm all over the place. I'll show you the co-pilot right now, the captain. Yeah, he's sitting there half asleep. Okay, there's. Come on, Tim, get him in.
We've been fighting for 2 hours.
Minutes already. We have not seen the fish.
4 o'clock right now.
4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Possible I could have hooked the stern. 165 feet.
We got 105 feet of line out.
That should speed the motor up a little bit.
No. It's the top.
Damn bastard.
10. Yeah,
Okay, here we are. Tim,
10 minutes later
he's been 10 minutes later.
on a crankbait.
I don't know. Sunken boat or a ship or something.
Get the rod. Can you see the rod?
Look at the rod. Oh, that is a good rod. And I am not a good cameraman. I'm all over the place.
Back out to 36.
I'm going to zoom back a little bit.
Back out again?
Yeah.
You want to back up again?
Okay. We're trying. What the heck?
Well, there's what we ended up with. That is a sturgeon. It is from the boat.
Do it 5 inches the other side.
It's from the edge of the boat. Lay that up to that cup or that little bottle, and we'll take the tape measure. And that thing's got to weigh 150 pounds. So that was fun.
One bite, but I put the biggest one on because I want to catch a big one. I've never caught a great big one, so I'm trying all this stuff to try and catch a big one. Maybe I should be jigging.
So how big a fish did Steve catch?
Sturgeon or otherwise?
Smells like fish in here.
You betcha.
Hey, we found the professional sturgeon fisherman, Steve.
Sturgeon surgeon.
How many did you catch today, Steve?
Oh, you're gonna go. 7 walleyes,
Like this.
4 walleyes, and 3 sturgeon. Not good. And there's the mess of fish. Better get that.
Oh yeah, you can.
Those are some nice walleyes that Eddie caught.
Stand back there, Ed. I got 5 of them.
Hey, that's good. Those are
Yeah,
nice.
stand right over there, right next to this.
Yep, get a picture of that.
That
What
one's
kind of
yours,
crankbait
this
did you
is
catch that on?
mine. I did. No crankbait on this.
Jigging?
Give me a smile then.
Jigging. This is jigging one.
Is that the one? Okay, we gotta do that again.
Where's the snag marks in the tummy?
Okay, ready?
I got a toothpick in there.
There, that's a perfect picture. Wait a minute.
Grab that fish again, Ed.
There's a bigger one right there. That must be mine then.
It's his fish, but I was the guy.
That one's yours too.
This is the guy. This is the guy.
Hey, hold it
Keep
here,
the pin in the hole.
I was the net man.
Yeah, and here's the surgeon boy.
Perfect.
Good job.
We got one flop down. What's the matter, Betty?
Your father-in-law will never believe it.
Right over there.
Oh, you want?
John should be here too. Yeah, John will take a picture.
I can take a picture.
Good one.
I think you all should hold a walleye. That would make it even more interesting.
No.
Okay.
Ooh, there's where you get the minnows from, huh?
Yes.
Here, give me another bowl here, Steve.
I got it on video.
Father and son like one another. Dang right. I got it. Yeah, you just keep trying. Yep. Oh, God, and Ed says, do walleyes have eyelids? Or what happened there? God, I laughed.
Okay, good idea.
So I thought these guys had different names, but this is Dick.
That's Dick.
And this
Here's
is
Dick. And here's Dick. What about me?
And this is Dick.
And this is Mr. Dick.
And there's a head. There's a head here.
And there's Eddie too.
Fast Eddie, they call him.
No, you're the sturgeon surgeon.
How about the guy that you met out there in South Dakota?
Yeah.
You know, there's a good example right there, Rick. Yeah.
Just holler at him and say,
Yeah. Yeah, where are you guys from?
West
Yeah.
Bend? Well, I know a guy from West Bend.
Oh, that's neat.
Yeah,
That
it was.
is-
It was a lot of fun.
that was a coincidence. Betty come and said, yeah. Oh, boy. Yeah, that was really neat.
Hey, how's it going? Look, my movie actors look.
Well, look at him suck his gun in. As soon as John gets out the camera, everybody goes,
So Don, what was your key to fishing today?
watch Tim.
How many did you
I
guys
told
catch?
where to cast and what lure
gotta
to use.
Kind of turn it around.
All I know is I'm fishing with Dad and Eddie tomorrow, so I can outfish somebody.
Oop, Ed, pull in your gut.
All right. What are you guys doing?
Steve,
Steve-O. Steve-O, what are you guys doing?
They're gonna go down and watch us clean fish and even get bundled up.
Steve, you're gonna have another twins.
Another twin.
Try you don't have any.
No.
Big, yeah.
And Robert Toole got a 29 3/4. 26 3/4. Denny Brown. All right, Denny.
confidence.
We're sharing our secrets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One for all and all. One for all. What is it? One for all.
All for one.
All for one.
We'll be buying
Yeah.
whiskey tonight.
The bar's open again.
Bar's open again.
Just like when you get a hole in one, you know, you gotta buy your own.
Well, that's pretty special. Thank you.
Yeah, John and I put that 20 inches. Or
23 and 22. Yeah, last night. Yeah. Yeah. So we did well. We did well. And thank you. You have a very nice deal going here. We will be back. If we get. Excuse me.
Hey, we're standing here.
Yeah, you bet. Thank you. I owe it all to my coach right here.
Give the camera your speech.
Don't
Give the
don't
camera your
horse it.
speech.
Don't screw with your drag.
Well, the best part was,
Yeah, here we go.
he's reeling and the drag's going. So I reached under there and twisted the drag about a quarter turn. Dad got on it.
Hey, right.
There was a bucket dumping water on the reel.
And when the fish is going under the boat is
Watch
moving
out,
like
Dad.
this.
No, Dad did perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Had a good coach, team. Had a good coach. Yep, had a good coach. Give it all to you. I really do.
Did you hear Chad say that we can't room together anymore?
Why?
Because we win too much money.
No, I didn't hear that.
Last year, Ray won big. You
Yeah.
guys pulled in last night?
Yeah.
Gotta break that up. He said you gotta break that up.
Oh, excuse
We
me.
should get out of the doorway.
This ends up being a money trip for us.
Yeah.
That's what he said. That's what Chad said. You gotta break it up.
You're gonna break